Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, August 29, 2023. Transport Minister Daryl Vaz is affirming government's commitment to further building out the fleet of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, starting with 100 additional buses next year.
You would have heard that Minister Clark mention 100 buses for next year and 100 for the following year. My aim is to see how we can order some more buses this year, because we need to get at least another 100 buses in the system. Minister Vaz gave that update on Friday during the offloading of 50 new buses for the JUTC at the Kingston Wharves. Their addition means the JUTC will be able to roll out 315 buses just in time for back to school. Of those 315 units, 120 will operate out of the Portmore Depot, 99 from Spanish Town, and 96 from the Rockfort Depot. These will be a mix of new and repaired units. An additional 15 buses will be on hold to replace units that malfunction. Another 312 schools are expected to receive internet connectivity by December of this year. Minister of Education and Youth Fable Williams gave that update as she addressed delegates attending the 59th annual conference of the Jamaica Teachers Association recently. These institutions will add to 464 schools that have already been connected, bringing the total number to 776. Minister Williams says different technologies are being used to provide schools with internet access, as the government remains committed to delivering on its promise for broadband connectivity to all Jamaican schools.
So those that are close to the government's fiber optic cables, we are connecting those schools. There are other schools that are being connected using microwave technology. There are other schools being connected using satellite and other technology. Whatever it takes, we are going to ensure that we connect all of our schools all across Jamaica.
The minister says this is an ambitious program which began 2 years ago and will take another 2 years to see completion.
We do not only want for internet to be present in the administrative offices. We want for it to be present in classrooms as well. So you, our teachers in classrooms, will have the use of that to help with your lessons. We will get the service to you. It is our commitment. This is a major pillar of transformation in education.
The Jesse Rupaul Primary School has launched a digital library initiative to foster STEAM-based education for students. The school will be establishing a fundraising drive for $1.4 million to finance the effort that's being jointly pursued by the Jesse Rupaul Alumni Association and Parent Teachers Association. The funds will also be used to alter the virtual classroom's space to fit the necessary computer desks, chairs, and other equipment and software. State Minister of Education and Youth Marcia Smith has praised the school's efforts and adds that parents, teachers, and students may all use the ministry's free digital library. This digital library contains more than 70 pieces of educational and reading material.
We believe that by improving access to technology and technological devices, we will create a level playing field for all our students, allowing them to see the endless possibilities that exist for careers in science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics.
Regional Director for the Jamaica Library Service, Natanya Garwood, adds that schools may also access JLS's digital services.
The Jamaica Library Service is equally happy to continue collaborating with the Jesse Rupaul Primary School to offer technical support and access to our wide range of digital library service, which are freely available.
More water shops are being built in sections of Clarendon to offset the serious water shortages affecting residents in those communities. During a recent tour of North Central Clarendon, local government minister Desmond McKenzie stressed that while water shops were not the answer to the crisis, they were a short-term solution to satisfy residents' immediate needs.
We will just leave Gardenwood, where we're going to be putting down a 20,000 gallon water shop, and we're moving on to Bedford Crawl, where we're going to be putting in a 16,000 gallon water shop to try to deal with the needs of the communities who are really struggling.
The parish will also be getting another water truck.
And a part of the commitment of the government, knowing that Clarendon is one of those parishes that suffers, especially in the hills of Clarendon, in this part of Clarendon, we're going to be providing allocations to the municipal corporation to purchase another water truck for the parish of Clarendon.
And finally, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, is urging hunters participating in the 2023 game bird hunting season to abide by the guidelines under the Wildlife Protection Act. The season opened on Saturday, August 19, and runs for 6 weekends until Sunday, September 24. During that time, persons can get licensed to hunt 4 game birds, namely the white-crowned pigeon, white-winged dove, Zenadia dove, and the mourning dove. The season's hunting sessions are from sunrise to 9 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. to sunset on Saturdays, and from sunrise to 9 a.m. on Sundays. For each session, a hunter with a valid hunting license is permitted up to 20 game birds. Of the 4 approved birds, hunters are allowed to have no more than 15 white-crowned pigeons. The feathered heads of all game birds shot must be retained on the bird for inspection. Each breach under the Wildlife Protection Act will attract a fine of up to $100,000 or 12 months imprisonment. Hunting reports not completed and returned by December 31 of the same year of the season attract a late processing fee of $5,000. This must be paid before a subsequent hunter's license is granted. Hunting licenses can be obtained from NEPA's head office at 10 Caledonia Avenue, Kingston 5, or any of the authorized vendors island-wide. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.